Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you how you can find the user ID of a specific user on Slack. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. Alright, so head over to slack.com to access the Slack web application or simply log into your account through the Slack app installed on your mobile device or on Windows 10 or 11. So what you want to do, guys, once you're inside your account, simply select your workspace here in the top left corner, and after that you will see the channels listed under that given workspace, as well as direct messages you have sent to contacts who have joined your workspace. So what you want to do, guys, is simply right click on the given contact you would like to find out the user ID of, like that, and after that select view conversation details from that drop down menu. After that, this window will pop up for you. So what you want to do after that is click on view profile here to access the profile of the given user. And in the last step, guys, what you want to do is take a look at that panel here to the right and click on these three dots and select copy member ID from that drop down menu with your left mouse. And after that, simply paste that user ID anywhere you like. So I'm going to paste it, for instance, here into the text box. Of course, I have blurred that information because it is private, but as you can see, the user ID has been copied here. And yeah, that's basically it. That's how to find out the user ID of users on Slack. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.